Hello guys, my name is Armin. In today's video learning Revit, we want to take a look at the 2D navigation. So in Revit, you can have 3D views, 2D views, and I want to show you how to navigate in the 2D space. Let's jump into Revit so we can take a look at the options that we have.
In today's episode, I would like to go over a 2D navigation. As you guys know, Revit has 2D and 3D navigation. So this is going to be a short video. Want to go through the 2D, another video we go through a 3D. So I just want to make sure we cover the navigation in these areas. So the first one, when you open up the 2D sheets or the 2D view, you can see the panel right there, right? So basically it has the zoom button and also it has the steering wheel. So if just by any accidental removal this one is gone and you basically looking to find it, you need to go to the view all the way to the Windows user interface, and you can see right here the navigation bar. So when you click on this one, the 2D shows up, and when you go to the 3D views, that navigation turns into 3D. So let's just start from this on top. So this is a 2D steering wheel, right? So basically, there's gonna give you the enhancement of the zoom. So you need to hold it, and then I'm just gonna hold my left key on the mouse and then just kind of move my mouse back and forth, and you guys can see it's gonna go zoom in and out, and as soon as I kind of release the button, it goes away. Go on it, hold, move the mouse, so zoom in and out. The next one is going to be the pan, so you got to make sure you highlight the kind of pink color around. So if I hold the pan, you guys can see I'm just holding it. Same thing, left mouse key, and then moving my sheets or my view around. The next one is going to be the rewind. So the rewind, you can see, is basically give you all the previous work that you have done. So if you want to go back and rewind to any of it, you can easily click it. I thought this is a kind of cool feature that it has, the rewind. If you want to go back and instead of hitting Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, you can kind of see exactly where you are, and you can go to the basically the exact rewind that you have. So you can, over there you can see, if you want to exit these, you just basically hit the escape. So if I hit the escape, it just goes away. I can click on it and bring it back. So zoom, left mouse key in and out, pan, left mouse key, pan around, and then for the rewind, same thing. Click on it, it basically give you the previous movement that you had in your screen. If you look at these, just a little kind of option button right there, I give you a little bit more option. It's gonna close the wheel, which is going to be this X button right there. Is going to give you a help if you need to learn more about it. You can go over there. It's going to fit to window. So if I click on it, you can see how I move the whole sheet and fit it into a window. And then the last one right here is the option. So this is open up the steering wheel option. Is going to give you the show tool messages. So make sure these are all uh, checked. Big steering wheel, if you want to make it smaller, bigger, and also the opacity of it, if it's going to be more visible or not. The mini wheel when it comes up, and also walk tool. So this is a little bit of the actual uh, settings for your steering wheel, and this option panel is going to be accessed as well through your file. So if I go to file, option, you can see the steering wheel is the same thing. So let's say these are all items that you guys need to know about that steering wheel. So this is basically, it's gonna help you, and you can see right here this 2D wheel is on, the other ones are grayed out because it's not applicable to the 2D view. But for now, just learn that this is the wheel. You can rewind, zoom, pan, and you have an option to adjust. The next one under it is the zoom. So if I click on the zoom, it's a typical zoom command in all the Autodesk software. So zoom in region. So if you want to zoom in a certain region, basically goes over there. This one, zoom out 2 times. The next one, and then if I keep doing it right with my scroll button, my middle scroll button in my mouse, it just kind of goes back 2 times. Zoom to fit, so it's basically whatever you have in that space is gonna put it in the window. All to fit, like everything, if you have any other drawings or anything right here in the space, is basically put everything in one window for you. And this is a great tool if you sometimes you're missing some items in your whole space and you cannot find it all the time. Do these zoom all to fit. It basically is going to give you the whole area if there is anything drawn on that space. And then zoom sheet size, so this is going to be the sheet size for these items. So if I kind of go back on here, you guys can see displays the model within the sheet size. So this is the sheet size that you'll be able to see. The next one is going to go to previous pan or zoom. So these are basically all the items that I wanted to show. And the last one, we have a steering wheel on, we have the zoom on, the fly, pan active, view cube is a 3D, we'll talk about it. And then this docking option, it basically is gonna give you option to, dock it to the left, right, top, button. And the last one that we have right there, it's basically change the opacity to like 100%, or go just give it some time, or just kind of go back to the 50%. It kind of depends how it's going to change the capacity. So this is like a little icons there, but you guys can see it has a lot to it if you want to understand it. But just keep in mind, rewind is a cool tool that you can use, and also zoom all, that's another cool thing, and also zoom to sheet, that you'll be able to see the space that's showing the whole sheet size, how you can use it. Hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.